Good morning, Bill here with another edition of Metal Minutes. Today is Wednesday, April 28th, 2021. Hey, we've had a good week to be diversified this last week. We have gold and silver down not quite 1%, just a fraction. Gold's at $17.76 for the week. Silver's at $26.08. And then we have platinum up 1% to $12.21. Palladium is up another 4% to $29.53. So that's the second strong week in a row for palladium. So it's a great time, and it emphasizes the need to be diversified across different types of metals. Well, for the 1 year, we have gold up 4%. We have silver up 72%. Platinum's up 58%. And palladium's following close behind at 54% higher for the 1 year mark a year ago from today. Well, the story right now is inflation and taxes. We have warnings coming out even from the White House about inflation up ahead. Of course, we've been talking about it for over a year now, and it's been evident in our economy and in the places that people shop and live. So it's not news to our readers, but the government is acknowledging it as well. And taxes are due to increase. They say it's just for the wealthy, but I think sometimes it seems like that's something to distract us from realizing that taxes are already increasing on everyone. And what I mean by that is that as inflation goes up, that means the prices of items, as they increase, so do the sales taxes. So a good portion of the dollar per gallon increase that you've seen when you fill up your automobile is taxes. So those taxes have already gone up for everyone, but they're raising other taxes targeted towards capital gains on most assets other than silver and gold. And what we have to really watch out for is not only the increased tax rates that they're looking for, but also the increased enforcement activities. Hidden in the stimulus money were billions of dollars for increased surveillance and enforcement of tax code violations. And there's a new department being formed specifically for cryptocurrency. So just a warning to be careful there. They're coming after everyone with crypto that is doing any kind of transactions that are not being reported. So be aware of that. It's making gold and silver that much more appealing, both from a tax standpoint as well as a privacy and inflation standpoint. Another thing to keep your eyes on is the silver squeeze movement. That is still alive and going strong, and much silver is being removed from the COMEX warehouses and places that help facilitate the manipulation of silver. Now, those that say, well, there's no manipulation, why do banks keep paying billion-dollar and multi-hundred-million-dollar fines for manipulating the price of metals if there's no manipulation? So as silver moves out of the grasp of those that are manipulating it, it becomes harder for them to do. Fireworks are soon to come in gold and silver. Keep your eyes out, and we'll see you next week. Have a good one.